just sat there silent, staring at his favorite coffee cup. And I saw a storm of mixed emotion in his eyes. He looked up, but he said, "Son, I know that you're raised. Seems like this whole road is turning slow. And you think you find an answer to it all where corn don't grow." Hard times are real. There's dust in fields, no matter where you go. You may change your mind, there's a reason why where corn don't grow.